Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time format of your computer from 24-hour to 12-hour style with those AM and PM written beside them. So let's get started. First, we need to go to Start or the Windows button and go to Settings. Here, click on the Time and Language option. Next, go to the Region option from the left side list. There, click on the Change Time Formats option from the bottom of the screen. Then go to Short Time and select the 12-hour format from the list. Next, go to the Long Time option and also select the 12-hour format from the list. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your computer's time format to 12-hour style. Now, you don't have to count the numbers to check the time. Thanks for watching.